Greetings from Suraj Eye Institute. Suraj Eye Sciences Academy is pleased to present the Spark Case-Wise. We present to you a case of viral endothelitis. Herpes simplex virus is endemic throughout the world and humans are the only known natural reservoir. HSV in eye can lead to blepharitis, conjunctivitis, epithelial keratitis, stromal keratitis, endothelial keratitis, and viral retinitis. HSV-1 is transmitted primarily through direct contact with infected secretions or skin lesions. A female, 59 years of age, reported to us with the chief complaints of pain, redness, and blurring of vision in right eye since 15 days. She had no history of trauma, glare, or photophobia. She had a history of similar complaints of redness and diminution of vision 3 months and 6 months back in the same eye, for which she was treated with topical steroids and cycloplegic drops. Her best corrected visual acuity was counting finger 2 meters in right eye and 6'9" in left eye. Corneal sensation in right eye was reduced. Slit lamp examination of right eye showed the presence of stromal edema, Descemet's membrane folds, multiple keratic precipitates, grade 1 cells in the anterior chamber, and grade 1 nuclear sclerosis. Left eye examination was within normal limits except for the presence of grade 1 nuclear sclerosis. Intraocular pressure in both eyes was 16 mm mercury. Fundus examination of right eye showed hazy media, retina was attached, and fovea appeared normal. Left eye fundus examination was within normal limits. These are the diffuse and slit images of right eye showing corneal haze due to corneal edema, along with Descemet's membrane folds and keratic precipitates. A provisional diagnosis of right eye viral endothelitis was made and the patient was advised eye drop prednisolone 1% 6 times a day tapered over 2 months, eye drop carboxymethylcellulose 0.5% 6 times a day, eye drop hometropin 2% 2 times a day, tablet acyclovir 400 mg 5 times a day for 2 weeks to be continued twice daily for 6 months. Visual acuity in right eye was 618 at 1 week follow-up and it further improved to 612 at 1 month. At 1 month follow-up, there was complete resolution of edema, keratic precipitates, and the patient was asymptomatic. She was advised to taper and stop topical steroids and oral antivirals and to review after 3 months. Discussion. Only a few studies exist to guide treatment recommendations for HSV endothelial keratitis. They compared the combination of topical acyclovir 3% ointment and topical betamethasone with acyclovir ointment alone and concluded that the combination regime produced a faster response with significantly fewer treatment failures. Another study compared topical acyclovir ointment 3% 5 times a day to oral acyclovir 400 mg 5 times a day in patients also treated with topical prednisolone 0.05%. The oral acyclovir group demonstrated significantly faster resolution of lacrimation and greater improvement of visual acuity with no difference in the mean healing time. A topical corticosteroid agent in conjunction with an oral antiviral agent is the preferred treatment for HSV endothelial keratitis. HEDS trial suggested long-term use of oral acyclovir for prophylaxis against recurrent attacks. Therefore, we decided to use long-term oral acyclovir with topical steroids. Thank you.